As you know, general questions are asked by moving or adding a helping verb before the subject, or by moving the form of the verb to be before the subject. General questions can be answered with a simple yes or no, and they are also logically called yes or no questions. To make the answer complete, you need to add a positive sentence after yes, and a negative sentence after no. These sentences are full, but inverted, versions of the corresponding questions. Examples.
Does he live here?
Yes, he lives here.
No, he does not live here. Has Tom gone to Italy?
Yes, Tom has gone to Italy.
No, Tom has not gone to Italy. Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
No, I cannot run fast. Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is a doctor.
No, he is not a doctor.
Note that all helping verbs are simply moved from the beginning of the sentences. But the forms of the helping verb, to do, are completely removed from the positive answers, and the main verbs must change their form to the correct one. But, besides the complete answers, there are also short answers in English. These short answers contain after yes or no, only the subject, and the helping verb, or the verb to be, which have helped to make the question. Negative short answers also contain not after the verb. Examples.
Does he live here?
Yes, he does.
No, he does not.
Remember that the helping verb, to do, is preserved in short answers, even in positive sentences.
Has Tom gone to Italy?
Yes, he has.
No, he has not. Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
No, I cannot.
Note that modal verbs are also used as helping verbs in short answers.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is.
No, he is not.
So, short answers are similar to complete answers, but end as soon as the subject and the helping verb or the verb to be are pronounced. And only if the question is asked using the form of the helping verb, to do, this helping verb is removed from the complete positive answer, but remains in the short positive answer. Remember that you can answer the question using both types of answers, complete and short, at the same time. In this case, first there will be a short answer, and then a complete one, but without repeating yes or no. Note that if there are two helping verbs in the question, the short answer must contain both.
Should I have found a better job?
Yes, you should have found a better job.
Yes, you should have.
No, you should not have found a better job.
No, you should not have.
We can also use the ultra-short answers, yes or no, in informal conversation, but such answers are not desirable in formal speech. Special questions are asked to get specific information. Special questions start with the WH words that show what information is needed. These questions cannot be answered with a simple yes or no. We need the answer to be more detailed. So, the complete answers for these questions are the positive sentences, which are inverted versions of the corresponding questions. And the WH words are replaced with the information we are asking about. Examples.
Where is Maria?
Maria is at home.
What have you done?
I have done my homework. Subject questions are the type of special questions that we ask when we need to identify or describe the subject. In subject questions, unlike other special questions, the word order is not inverted, and we just add the WH word at the beginning, instead of the subject, or before the subject. So, the complete answers to these questions are positive sentences that are full, and not inverted versions of the corresponding questions. We only replace the WH word with a subject, or a description of the subject. Examples.
Who scares you?
Tom scares me.
Who can help me?
Mark can help you. There are no short answers to special questions because we do not get the information that we ask about in them. But we can use the short answers to subject questions. They contain only a subject and a helping verb or the verb to be. Examples.
Who scares you?
Tom does. So, the specificity of short answers to subject questions is the usage of the helping verb to do instead of the main verb, even if it is not used in the question.
Who can help me?
Mark can. In informal speaking, we can use ultra-short answers to special and subject questions. These are subjects, objects, adverbs or prepositional phrases that use as adverbs. Examples: remember that if the subject has different persons in the question and the answer, the verb form must also be changed in the answer. Answer the questions.
Do you like flowers? Yes, I like flowers.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. I like flowers. Have you found your dog? No, I have not found my dog.
No, I have not.
No, I have not. I have not found my dog. Where is Mark?
Mark is here.
Who came yesterday? Your sister came yesterday.
Your sister did. Choose the correct, short answer.
Did she come here?
Yes, she did.
Will you go to cinema?
No, I will not.
Who loves Maria?
I do.
Should I have helped them?
Yes, you should have.
Please, like this video. And subscribe to the channel.